Hello students of Standard 3rd. Welcome you all to DAML Public School e-learning class. I am your English teacher Renuka Seshivar. So let us begin our today's online session of English. Dear students, today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is harmful effects of polybags. So let's start. Dear students, today we are discussing the most burning issue, that is harmful effects of polybags. Polythene bags have harmful effects to the environment. Plastic bags tend to disrupt the environment in a serious way. They get into soil and slowly release toxic chemicals. They eventually break down into the soil, with the unfortunate result being that animals eat them and often choke and die. Dear students, the major impact of plastic bags on the environment is that it takes many years for them to decompose. In addition, toxic substances are released into the soil when plastic bags perish under sunlight, and if plastic bags are burned, they release a toxic substance into the air, causing air pollution. So, let us see about harmful effects of polybags. Vegetable sellers, grocers and bakers give us things packed in polybags. Milk is also often supplied in polybags. Polybags are made of polythene, which is a kind of thin, soft plastic. It is strong and cannot be destroyed easily. That is why we find it so useful, but that is also why it is so harmful. So we have to be always say no to use poly bags. What should we do with poly bags after we have used them? If we throw them in a drain, the drain will get choked. If an animal eats a poly bag, the bag will get stuck to its throat and it will not be able to breathe. It may even die. If we burn a polybag, it will produce poisonous gases which will pollute the air. The best thing is not to use polybags at all and to pack things in paper, clothes or jute bags. This is the best solution of this problem. So everybody, we have to be follow these things and motivate to others also. Now, this is the time for your homework of today. Let's see what is in your homework. Dear students, do you see all these pictures? What are these? Yes, these are the poster of stop using plastic bags. So in this way, you have to make or prepare a poster on this particular topic. And what is your topic? Stop no to plastics. This is your topic. So you will make one beautiful and creative poster on this topic. These are the examples for you. In this way, you can prepare this poster making. Dear students, hope you have understood this topic. Now we will see you in our next session with new topic and new lesson. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.